Welcome on board my channel EduMarine Academy by Maverick Mariner. Our channel intends to provide free information on topics related to maritime industry which would help aspirants to crack their MEO competency exams. Stay tuned.
Okay, now let us see the next categories. These categories are J and K. Okay, these are cargo residue categories. As in, जब टैंक वॉशिंग किया जाता है in bulk carriers. Okay, first of all, this is only and only applicable for bulk carrier ships. Correct? The ships which carry solid cargo in bulk, that is bulk carrier ships, it is these things are only applicable for that. Okay, and these entries will come in GRB part 2. GRB part 2, correct? Cargo residue category J and K. For easy understanding, just remember Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, there is a relevance why I am put Jammu and Kashmir, so you can remember this J and K. Okay, now these categories were actually defined in MEPC 27770 सेशन. ओके, MEPC का जो 70th सेशन हुआ था उसके अंदर these categories J, K and I was our e-waste category. Those three things were defined. Okay, and these categories were adopted on 20th October 2016. Okay, and these were entered into force on 1st March 2018. मतलब after 1st March 2018, category J, K for cargo residue, which is applicable for only bulk carriers, that is those are ships which carry solid cargo in bulk. Okay, those सिर्फ उनके लिए this J and K are applicable. Okay, now let us move forward. Let's understand what is J and K. Just remember Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, J and K only applicable for bulk carriers. Okay, now let's see category J. Category J is non-HME. Okay, these are non-HME. HME मतलब क्या है? Non-hazardous to marine environment. Okay, J is non-hazardous to marine environment और उसका discharge is allowed only after certain conditions are satisfied. Okay, only after certain conditions are satisfied. Okay, and category K जो है, these are HME cargo, that is hazardous to marine environment. Okay, so J category is non HME, K is HME. HME का full form क्या है? Non like HME का full form is hazardous to marine environment. So J is non HME, non hazardous to marine environment, and योर के इज़ HME, दैट इज़ hazardous टू मरीन एनवायरनमेंट. ये ऐसे याद रखोगे, ठीक है. एंड के का जो डिस्चार्ज इज प्रोहिबिटेड, एनी डिस्चार्ज ऑफ कैटेगरी के और वॉशिंग्स ऑफ कैटेगरी के इज़ प्रोहिबिटेड. कैटेगरी जे का जो डिस्चार्ज है दैट इज़ अलाउड. कैटेगरी जे का जो वॉशिंग्स का डिस्चार्ज है दैट इज़ अलाउड ओनली व्हेन सर्टन कंडीशंस आर मेट. ठीक है, वील सी दोज सर्टन कंडीशंस लेटर. आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू दिस. Okay, but now just for remembering HME and non-HME, Jammu and Kashmir, right? Jammu and Kashmir. Now Jammu जो region है that is less dangerous, ठीक है, because it is not occupied like, okay, उल्टा let's see from the other way around. कि कश्मीर क्या है? कश्मीर, it is dangerous as Kashmir is equal to POK, Pakistan occupied Kashmir, and which is more dangerous, correct? So that is why it is analogy समझो ये. K, Kashmir, POK, more dangerous. That is why K is related to hazardous to marine environment. Discharge is prohibited. Okay, जम्मू जो है, जम्मू रीजन वो आता है, it is less dangerous. Okay, so it is non-hazardous to marine environment. That is why discharge is allowed only when certain criteria is met. Now, how will you decide what are hazardous cargoes and what, like, how will you decide the cargo will be J or K? Okay, so basically it is the shipper's responsibility to declare what is the type of the cargo. Shipper माने जो कार्गो भेज रहा है, ठीक है, जिसका कार्गो शिप लेके जा रही है, कार्गो का जो ओनर रहता है ही इज शिपर. ठीक है, सो इट इज़ हिज रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टू डिक्लेयर व्हाट टाइप ऑफ कार्गो इट इज़. Okay. Now every cargo will have a official cargo information form or official cargo declaration form. Okay. It is shipper's responsibility to fill up this form. Now this form will have a checkbox which will say whether it is HME or नॉन एच एम ई, एच एम ई और नॉन एच एम ई. ठीक है. अब क्या है, यहाँ पे वो फॉर्म में कहीं पे चेक किया होगा कि आइदर इट इज़ एच एम ई और नॉन एच एम ई. नॉन एच एम ई मतलब कैटेगरी जे, जम्मू, लेस डेंजरस माने नॉन एच एम ई. ओके, नॉन हजार्डस टू मरीन एनवायरमेंट. के इज़ योर कश्मीर विच इज़ इक्वल टू पी ओ के विच इज़ इक्वल टू वेरी डेंजर. ओके, इट्स डेंजरस. सो इट इज़ एनालॉजी समझो, एच एम ई ये याद रखने को आसान रहेगा. जे एंड के, जम्मू एंड कश्मीर, ये कार्गो रेसिड्यू कैटेगरी, जे आर बी पार्ट 2, जे एंड के, जम्मू एंड कश्मीर. जे इज़ नॉन एच एम ई, जम्मू रीजन, लेस डेंजरस, non hazardous to marine environment. That is why discharge is allowed only when certain criteria is satisfied. Category K, K माने कश्मीर, कश्मीर is equal to POK which is equal to more dangerous. That is why hazardous to marine environment and discharge is prohibited. Okay, now I hope you have understood how to identify, how the ship staff will identify whether it is J or K. So it will be put in the cargo information form or cargo declaration form which is supposed to be filled by the shipper. It is shipper's responsibility. Okay, now what factors do the cargo is classified, like, correct? You understand this? On what factors is cargo classified as HME or non-HME? That is given in अपेंडिक्स 1 ऑफ एनेक्स 5. एनेक्स 5 का अपेंडिक्स 1 जो है, इसके अंदर फैक्टर्स ऑफ क्लासिफिकेशन दिया हुआ है. ठीक है, फैक्टर्स ऑफ क्लासिफिकेशन दिया हुआ है. नाउ these are certain things on which it is classified, whether the cargo is carcinogenic like cancer causing, whether the cargo is gene mutating, अगर वो पानी में छोड़ दिया और अगर मछली और जो मरीन लाइफ है उसने वो एब्जॉर्ब कर लिया तो डज इट म्यूटेट द जीन, इज इट टॉक्सिक टू द एनवायरमेंट, डज इट हैव अ रिप्रोडक्टिव टॉक्सिसिटी इशू, है ना, डज इट कंटेन प्लास्टिक. So these are certain points which are given in appendix 1 of annex 5. On these basis the cargoes are classified. Okay, now in next videos we'll see what are the discharge criteria for J. Okay, see you.
I hope the topic was interesting. Hit like, share and subscribe. Ring the bell for updates. Thank you.